Стреляй! Автоматическим.
Ukrainian Special Operations Forces operators raided behind enemy lines in the Kursk Oblast. The video was published on the Telegram channel of the Special Operations Forces Command of the Armed Forces of Ukraine. It is reported that as a result of successful actions behind enemy lines, the Special Operations Forces operators killed 14 invaders and captured 3. According to the footage released on the video, the Special Operations Forces operators managed to quietly penetrate the forest area where the Russian invaders were stationed and conduct a surprise attack. Camouflage robes were used for additional disguise. Taking advantage of the suddenness, 2 invaders were captured right in the shelter. Another was wounded in a firefight and decided to surrender. The rest of the enemy soldiers were killed in a small arms battle and even in hand-to-hand combat. After the battle, following the conventions, the Special Operations Forces operators provided first aid to the wounded Russian prisoners. The actions of the Special Forces during the operation were coordinated with the help of reconnaissance drones. The use of drones for coordination is a common practice for the armed forces of Ukraine. Moreover, commercial drones are used not only for this purpose, but also for specialized military developments. Drones have become indispensable tools for special forces on the modern battlefield, providing critical advantages that enhance operational success. For special operations, where precision, stealth, and situational awareness are vital, drones act as a force multiplier. They offer real-time intelligence, reconnaissance, and surveillance capabilities that help troops assess enemy positions, movement, and potential threats without exposing themselves to danger. The ability to monitor areas from above allows special forces to plan and execute missions with greater accuracy and adaptability. Whether identifying weak points in enemy defenses, tracking targets, or coordinating precise strikes, drones supply the data needed to make informed, split-second decisions. This reduces the risk of ambushes or unforeseen obstacles, increasing the safety and effectiveness of operations. Drones equipped with combat capabilities can also directly engage targets, providing air support in difficult-to-reach areas and neutralizing threats with pinpoint accuracy. A Ukrainian drone hunts the remnants of the Russians who were sent to attack the village of Pogrebki, Kursk region.
Автомат! Автомат! Стреляй! Автоматическим. Автоматическим стреляй.
War in the eyes of an infantryman. The 4th Guard Battalion's 101st Guard Brigade footage from Toretsk, where Russian forces have bogged down in built-up residential areas.
Перебігти, блядь, наших побратимів, блядь, заїбати. Не добіг, вахтист, йобаний. козака, блядь, участь всіх підарів жде, блядь, нахуй сюди. З козаками ніхуй, блядь, зв'язуватись. Слава Україні.
Героям слава. Посмотри в окно, видишь, я тебя снимаю. Тебя на видео снимаю.
We live in hell. We ask you to finally end this cursed war. A desperate plea to Putin from relocated residents of Olgovka village in the Kursk operational zone.
6 августа 24 года наша жизнь разделилась на до и после. До того дня, который навсегда останется в нашей памяти, наше село жило обычной жизнью. Вот представьте, солнечное утро, десятки людей спешат на работу. Кто на поле, кто в магазин. Молодые мамы ведут своих детей в садик, в котором было много ребятишек. Рядом школа, на сотни ученических мест. У нас в селе всегда была суета. По улицам села ездили машины и автобусы, а вдоль дорог стояли дома. Практически не было пустых и заброшенных домов. И что теперь? Смотришь на село, и сразу сюжет из фильма ужасов. Центр села был очень красивый в любое время года. Березы радовали глаз, и сейчас эти березы лежат обгоревшие.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Also, if you want to support Warthog Defense, please become our member and get early access to new videos, exclusive members-only videos, and become administrator in comment section. The membership link is in the description.
Every day. We had a guy last week, it's 6 rescues in 6 days. You know, he's doing the job every day.